19th question, is belief in epistemic relativism a scientific position? The answer. Epistemic relativism is a stance similar to the Cretan paradox. And the meaning of this paradox is that a person from the island of Crete said, everything Cretans say is a lie. So this person is either a liar and falsely accuses the people of Crete, or everything Cretans say is indeed a lie. And since this person is from Crete, he also is a liar. Believers in epistemic relativism fall into this same paradox. He says, I fully believe in epistemological relativism. This epistemological relativism is either false and incorrect, so how can you believe in something false? Or this cognitive relativism could be correct, and if it is correct, then that means it is not correct because it is relative, and it does not have the right to describe itself as true. If epistemic relativism describes itself as true, this means it is not relative, but rather claims to possess absolute truth, which is completely contrary to the concept of epistemic relativism. Consequently, relativism would invalidate itself. When we deconstruct the statement of someone saying, I believe in epistemic relativism, we find that it is self-contradictory. It is similar to someone saying, the absolute truth is that there is no absolute truth and everything is relative. If this statement is true, then it is not real and not an absolute truth, and therefore it is not wise to believe that there is no absolute truth. Epistemological relativism is a self-destructive approach that presupposes some truth in order to deny the existence of any truth. And for this reason, God Almighty described those who engage in relativism as playing. Rather, they are in doubt playing. Relativism carries self-contradiction. If someone believes in the truth that there is no truth, this means what they say is not true. Therefore, Augustine made an important statement in highlighting the fallacy of epistemic relativism, saying, who doubts knows that he doubts, and is fully aware of at least this truth, that he doubts. Therefore, anyone who doubts will be convinced by their ability to doubt that there is something called truth. So how can one say there is no truth? The problem with cognitive relativism is that it is an absurd stance, and no human lives or dies under this name. Unless one has sold their mind before that, the position of cognitive relativism is contrary to human nature. If relativism were a comfortable state, there would be no progress in human life. Since there is progress in human life, the inherent instinct in humans is to reach truths and settle on them.